Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jahan from Intro TV channel, and today is my second video of hilium10 course. And today we will discuss how we can find a good product with hilium10 extension. So here let's go. First we're going to Chrome and then we will be search amazon.com. So this is the main interface of Amazon. So here we search a product. So first here we're searching gift cards. So here we're searching gift cards. Gift cards. Then we click on helium10 extension. So there's the helium10 extension. Now we click in on X-ray Amazon products. So here helium extension shows that the search volume of this product is 481 381. So it's a good search volume, and this is the main keywords of gift cards. Gift cards is the main keyword of gift cards. Now we're removing sponsor product. So here we will remove. This is the one product we're removing sponsor product. Now we going to check this is the consistent price of gift cards or not consistent. So this is not consistent. The price of this products are many high and someone is correct. This one is correct $25. This one $200. So then we going to BSR. BSR is most good. Now we're going to check rating. So the rating is also best. They're not showing some rating, but someone are best. Now we're going to review count. So review count is also showing some. Yes, two review count showing to us. So let's we go. So this is the second lecture video of helium10.